Welcome to Sigzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to build a report in ERPNext. Report Builder in ERPNext is a versatile tool that allows users to create and customize reports on the fly without needing in-depth technical knowledge or coding skills. It offers a user-friendly interface where you can select and filter data from different modules within ERPNext, such as sales, inventory, or accounting, to generate detailed reports. Go to Sales Order Report by searching Sales Order Report in the Awesome bar. Now, go to the Filters button and set the fields you want in the Sales Order Report. Click on Apply Filters. Go to the Menu button and click Pick Columns. Uncheck the box Percentage Delivered and Percentage Amount Billed. Check the box Exchange Rate. Click on Submit. Now, go to the menu list again and click on Export. Set the file format, check the box Export all 72 rows and click Download. Now, the file will be downloaded and click on that file to see the report in Excel. Congratulations, you have completed Report Builder in ERPNext.